everyone. Gagajoy and Gagajoy's Cooking. Today I'm making manicotti, and I make it different than most people do because I like to know that everything is cooked. So I cook my manicotti a little bit and stuff it with, a string cheese, and then I use Italian sausage to cover it with a pasta dip. I think everybody has their own way of doing things. I don't like to put meat in them, and I'm not real crazy about the ricotta cheese either, so I just came up with my own little version a while back, so here we go. Now, that was a little slider in that. I usually just cook it usually says cook it to 8 minutes or to your liking, so I usually just cook mine to about 5 minutes because I know it is going to cook a little bit, but at least I know it won't be tough. Then I got one that's not anything to go in it. Now this is my, this is a pound of Italian sausage, mild Italian sausage. You can get the heart if you like, but I do like this Italian. Man, it's good. And then I just use the sauce of my choice. It's just a little water. I think I put my cheese back in the refrigerator. Yeah, I did. Well, I guess I'm going to have to put that on another stand. It's leaking a little bit. Little Parmesan. And a whole lot of mozzarella. And I got my oven on 350. I am going to put it on another little pan. Maybe this one. Perfect. In case it spills over. I don't know what it did. I guess I was pouring too fast because I've done it before. Anyway, I'm not past making a mess, that's for sure. And we will be back when it's done in about a half hour.